Look, enough is enough with this electric crap. As a man, I like loud cars. Big trucks.
And this is how much space you have in the Expedition. Ballin'.
In loud bikes.
Taking delivery of the 2020 Ducati 1260S.
And as I don't wear panties, I don't need any of these cushy electric vehicles.
What? Oh!
The Ford F-150 has consistently been the top-selling vehicle of all time in all of North America. And with the oil industry being slaughtered, and America increasingly being tethered to the grid, I'm actually impressed with Ford staying on top of things and offering this very capable, dare I say extremely capable, 2022 F-150 full electric truck. Here are 10 things you need to know. 1. It actually looks like a truck. I love that they normalized the F-150 Lightning by making it look not like a flying saucer, but wait for it, they made it look like an everyday truck. Like a truck we can just drive around in and do work with. I do love that handsome front end there with those sleek LED lights going across like that and that aerodynamic faux grille. It's got more aerodynamic wheels and a few other touches to make it not look out of place, but you still know it's special, such as those lightning logos on the back. But aside from those subtle features, it looks like a regular, albeit good-looking, truck. Smart move, Ford. I will note that I do like the futuristic look of the Tesla, but I am admittedly a techie. I have been known to get my technology on with the best of the nerds. I do love the Tesla, especially those unbreakable windows. But if I had to choose the two, I'd definitely go with the F-150, just based on the fact that people aren't going to be reporting UFO sightings every time I drive down the street. And by the way, while there are UFOs, which are probably things from Raytheon and General Dynamics and all the other millions of defense contractors that we have, there are no aliens, guys. There are no little green men. And this seems like a good point for some actual words of wisdom. Two, it's all 100% electric and you can charge it at your home in a standard outlet or a 240 volt outlet overnight. And Ford also has the largest number of charging stations in the world with 13,500 stations in the USA. Expect the price to start at $40,000, but don't be surprised if that climbs up to $90,000 if you start checking off all the bells and whistles. And if there's a hurricane and your power goes out at night, the F-150 can actually power your home for 3 days. And if you ration your power, it can power your house for up to 10 days. That is awesome. I want to buy the F-150 just for that fact alone. I love that. No more stinky carbon monoxide-y poisonous gases coming out where my family lives. This is an awesome feature. Great job, Ford. I seriously love this feature. Did I mention the Lightning can power your home if the power goes out? I did? Okay, just checking. But seriously, you can power your home for 10 days with this thing. Alright, let's move on. Number 5, it has 2 electric motors. Actually, that's 4. It has 2 electric motors, and all the trucks are going to be all-wheel drive. And speaking of drive, the most powerful version of the Lightning has 563 horsepower and a gargantuan 775 pound-feet of torque. The highest torque figure ever seen in an F-150 truck. 60 miles an hour is reached in the low 4-second range, also making this the fastest F-150 truck to boot. That's awesome. There will also be a Lightning Pro model specifically aimed at the commercial market. The styling is more subdued, losing the front light bar and the shiny faceted faux grille, and in general the interior is a bit more rugged. And here's the kicker, the price for the Pro model starts at $40,000. That's awesome. Number 8, it's going to be loaded with the tech, including that 16-inch color touchscreen that my Mach-E has, and the latest version of Sync 4A, which in my opinion is a vast improvement over the Sync 3 in my GT350. I can finally use GPS in my car as opposed to my cell phone. It's still not exactly as good as Google Maps, but it's close enough that you can use voice control efficiently, and the massive map in front of you allows for more geography on screen for your navigating pleasure. And speaking of navigating pleasure, for the first time in an F-Series truck, you can get Blue Cruise, allowing you to drive hands-free on over 100,000 miles of roads in the good old US of A. I plan to definitely not sleep on my way to work, because I would never even dream of such a thing. And number 10, it is coming at the end of this year. That's right, fellas, 2021. However, with the current semiconductor chip shortage, I wouldn't be surprised if that slipped into 2022, maybe hopefully around Q1, but hopefully awesome things will happen and it'll arrive this year. Hey guys, do me a quick favor and hit up my Rumble channel. That's Rated R Cars, all one word. As YouTube is becoming less and less friendly to conservative channels, many people are migrating to Rumble, and hopefully it will thrive as a non-woke platform. Once again, it's Rated R Cars, all squished, just for fun. Don't forget to also vote with your wallets. The other day I refused a Coca-Cola because, quite frankly, I'm sick of their silly wokeness. I think a company should focus on what they're doing, providing a service and providing a product, and that's it. Look, we're all sinners that fall short of the glory of God. Only through Jesus Christ can we be saved. We must overcome our sins, but make no mistake, we're all sinners. So ultimately, even the cancelers are going to end up being canceled. This is an embarrassing time for our country. All right, guys, keep your heads down. Love God, love your neighbors. Yes, even love and pray for your enemies, even the woke. Keep it locked here and always be kinder than necessary. I'll see you in the next one.